In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with crypto in 3 easy steps. And I know guys, it sounds too good to be true, but that's how it is. Making money with crypto is easy and it does not require you skills, it does not require you to be smart, and as Warren Buffett said, it only requires you a basic IQ to make money with investments. And guys, we've seen thousands of people getting rich with crypto, and even kids. I don't know if you know Eric Finman, but he got millionaire by the age of 18 because he bought Bitcoin when he was 12, because he studied it, he knew what it was, and he bought it and then waited some years and made incredible profits. And guys, also it changed my life. And 6 years ago I was broke, I was earning $1,000 per month, but I knew Bitcoin, I studied it, and when I truly understood what it was, I sold everything, I bought Bitcoin, and a few years ago its value went up by 70 times. And in this video I'm going to show you the same 3 steps that I followed, that Eric Finman followed, and that thousands of people followed to get rich with crypto. And guys, now let's dive in, and if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's start with the first step. As I said, making money with crypto is super easy, but not everybody is making money with crypto because not everybody is willing to take the time to understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it's super undervalued right now. And so what will make you different from 90% of the people is studying, reading a book about Bitcoin, and truly understand what's that and why it's super valuable. And guys, you are young, you don't have prejudices, and you were born in the digital era, and so you have an advantage over bankers, professors, and even Warren Buffett. You will outperform Warren Buffett's portfolio only by including Bitcoin in your portfolio. And that's crazy, but he cannot understand this technology, so you have an advantage over him. And guys, take advantage of that. Study Bitcoin, and only when you are ready to buy Bitcoin because you know it and you understand that it's undervalued, then you can invest, but not before that. Otherwise you will make so many mistakes. Like a friend of mine in 2018, he bought Bitcoin at 8k, and then when it went down to 3k, he sold and he got a loss. And in the meantime, I was holding because I knew what I bought and I knew where it could go. And guys, after a few years, Bitcoin went to 60k. He just got the loss, and I changed my life. And that was because I was believing in Bitcoin, because I studied it. I knew that a crypto ban like the one in China that completely made the market crash could not actually stop Bitcoin, because it's a decentralized technology. So you must understand all these things, or otherwise you won't be confident in your investment. You won't hold for years, because that's what you have to do. Don't believe that you are going to make money tomorrow. So once you truly understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, and that is super undervalued right now, then you are ready to buy, or in other words, to invest. And to invest, I don't mean spending time on the charts and watching the news or identifying patterns. I only mean buy Bitcoin and hold. As Warren Buffett says, patience builds wealth, and you have to be patient. You have to buy Bitcoin and hold. And I'm talking about Bitcoin only, so that you don't get confused. Many people are just chasing the next coin, and they are speculating and losing a lot of money on the way. You have to understand that if you want to enter the crypto market, first of all, you have to buy Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is basically like buying Amazon stocks when it went public, when nobody could even understand what the internet was, and that one day it would be possible to sell something online. So if you watch the Amazon price chart, the stock went up by over 10,000% from the moment it went public. Also, if you watch Tesla stock, it did the same. From the moment it went public, it went up by 10,000%. So this is not magic, guys. You are buying something undervalued and you are selling when the price rises. So it happens with stocks, it happens with Bitcoin, but with Bitcoin we are seeing bigger retards because this is something crazy, guys. It's bigger than Apple, bigger than Amazon, bigger than Microsoft or Google, because this is the internet of money, guys. Think about this. There are only 400 million crypto users in the world, and we are 7 billion people. So what do you believe the price of Bitcoin will be when 1 billion people will use Bitcoin, or 2 billion people, or 3 billion people? There are estimates that Bitcoin could go to $10 million at some point, and this is an estimate by Michael Saylor, who is a MIT graduate, guys. He is a genius, and this is one of the most famous estimates of what could be the price of Bitcoin in the near future. And also, Katie Hood, the CEO of ARK Investment, she believes Bitcoin could go to $1 million by 2030. And guys, so of course, this is a nice moment to buy if you believe these estimates, but you don't have to believe these estimates. You have to make your own studying. And guys, so if you want to buy Bitcoin, where to do it? My favorite platform is Bybit. You can use my link down below to subscribe, and you will get a big sign up bonus. One of the most popular questions is this a right moment to buy? Well, first of all, you need to understand, as I said at the beginning, that it takes patience and time to multiply your capital with Bitcoin. And also, you need to understand that if you are buying at 30k and the all-time high was at 60k, then of course you are buying below all-time high, and the estimates for the near future are way higher than 60k, even way higher than 100k. So of course, if you buy today, you have an advantage because we are now down 50% from the top of the market. Also, you should use some strategies like dollar cost averaging to diversify your risk. This means that if you want to buy 10,000 US dollars of Bitcoin, then you should buy, for example, 1,000 US dollars every month for 10 months, so that you minimize the risk of buying everything in the wrong moment. And let's check the third step. This is ridiculously easy, guys, but I told you since the beginning, and of course it's selling, and it doesn't require you to be a genius to understand when to sell. So when you see that your portfolio increases in value, then you can start taking some profits. And when you will sell, guys, it will be like those people who bought Amazon stock when it went public, and then they sold at a higher price. So the price of Bitcoin will increase after you buy, because the adoption will increase after some years. More people will use it, more banks, more institutions, more countries will use it. Remember that during the last cycle in 2021, El Salvador was the first country to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. And this is crazy, of course, and more countries will come, more banks will come, and even Tesla and SpaceX bought Bitcoin, guys, and more companies will come, and the price of Bitcoin will increase, and then you will sell. So guys, I hope you found this video useful and inspiring, and I hope that if you are new to the crypto market, you now understand a little bit better how you can make money with crypto today. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, because as I said, I'm new to YouTube, but I have so much experience to share with you, as I have been involved with Bitcoin since 2017. And guys, you would make my day by subscribing to my channel, and please like this video, and see you in the next episode.